Yeah, and you know something else I've thought before this one. So this screen is now okay. You are just from working from this one. You know what? Now I want to work on another screen that came here long time ago. And you know what? I didn't have the machine to work on that screen, and so I'll use this same laptop. Yeah, I tried to check it, but I was not successful. So let me try to check this one right now using the machine here. Yeah, you have to be very professional with screens, or otherwise you're going to damage them. Okay, let's see this one using our power supply too. So if you have a screen that is behaving like this, maybe before you, so let me use a charger because it's power supply. I can see this light is on. See this light? Yes, check there. You see? This one is also having the same problem. See that one? Yeah, so let me take some voltages here and try to see what we can do. Maybe can I lay down the laptop like this and maybe come with a multimeter here. Yeah, I'm in voltage mode. So let me see this one. So am I having LD enable? Yeah, I'm having 3.3 volts on VDD. This is CS, SD and CS and video. I'm having 3 volts, so this must not be that. It's not there. Yeah, I'm also having 3 volts here. So let me check on this one. What about on this one? The power. See here, I'm not having a voltage. So you know what, let me come with the power supply. You see, this is why you need to have several power supplies, because one could be giving the voltage and the other one could be giving the, so let me see whether this one is going. So let me supply the missing voltage, because I see here there's a missing voltage. So the machine is still on caps lock. Yeah, let's check the caps lock here. Okay, the machine is still on. You can actually see this light here. So let me see, let me supply the 3 volts. 3 volts. Be very careful with the screens. Yeah, nothing. Yeah, you see, I'm not showing right now because the power supply on my microscope is not going to be very stable, because as you are working for the screen, you have to be connected to a running machine. So nothing there. Here do I have -7, -7.84? Why negative -7.84, -5.93, minus, so 0. So I have minus. So here that means there's a cap I'll have to remove on this screen. One cap has to go out because the voltage is -0.7, or maybe a resistor or something of the sort. Let me check this one. Yeah, 3.25. Yeah, so now let me check this one here. 3.25. What about here? Nothing. So let me cap with this. Let me try to supply here and see. Yeah, actually, why am I lacking one here? check. Oh, see, it's working. Yeah, we have just saved this screen. Yeah, so I think I don't know whether I'll be able to show you using a microscope, because now the screen has to be, oh my, what can I do? So let me touch once more. So let me see where I'm going to. So either I'm going to remove one resistor or one capacitor and do a looping here, or if I remove that resistor. So yeah, so that's it. So I think I'll have to make a video without this one on screen circuits, so that you can understand what happens on the screen, so that when they may be able to make one. So what I can do, I'll try to show maybe where I'll jump. So let me first of all switch off the machine. Let me pull out the charger, and when the screen is out of the laptop, it's easy to make. Okay, so let me go under the microscope. Yeah, so you see, first I thought it was these two caps, and these two caps. That was not the case. So I removed a fuse here. Check, this is a fuse I have removed here, and I replaced this diode. After replacing this diode, that's when I turned. Sorry guys, there was a power outage as just as I was about to do the recording, and so before I set up the system again, so let me show you here. I didn't have time because the which is which. Yeah, you see this one here. Let me show you. So VC. Okay, I want to go to this other side here. Yeah, this is where I thought I was supposed to remove one cap here. But you remember, I was injecting the 3 volts here, and the machine was giving us a light. But I came to realize the problem was here. You see these two here. So I've tried to remove these two caps. Removed this and nothing happened. Removed this and nothing happened. I removed the resistor, nothing happened, until I came and changed this diode. This diode. These are the one I changed. And now let's see whether that is okay now. Yeah, now I want to see whether after that replacement, whether something has changed. Let's see whether something has changed. Let me come with a charger because the power supply is at 3 volts. So the light is on. Let's try to see here whether the screen is going to behave. Okay, is it on? Not yet. Energy. Oh yeah, it's doing fine. Let's see. Yeah, so that's it. This one is also good. Yeah, so you see, I've borrowed someone's screen, someone's laptop to make another screen that was left here, but I didn't have a machine to test it with. So should I pay this person for using his laptop to make this screen here? Is that what I should do? Sure. So that is good. That is it. So let's. Okay, something went out. Oh, it's a normal restart for the machine. Oh, it came. It's trying to load the hard disk. It's just trying to load the hard disk. So that is it for today. So let's meet in the next. Bye.